Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. An aircraft flies because it has the means to generate lift and reduce drag. An aircraft lands because it has something to land on, such as landing gear. Have you ever wondered what happens inside a billion-dollar factory producing massive landing gear for passenger planes? In 1930, the first aircraft with retractable landing gear, the Boeing monomail, was introduced. This was a leap forward in the world of landing gear manufacturing because of the significant reduction in drag that came with the technology. Anything that creates aerodynamic drag decreases speed and increases fuel consumption. Now, all aircraft retract their landing gear behind landing gear doors. Landing gear doors protect the landing gear and further reduce drag due to vortices created by open wheel wells. Let's take a closer look at how wheel well doors are produced. As an example, the fabrication of the A350 XWB main landing gear door demonstrates a complex merging of advanced aerospace engineering and precise manufacturing techniques. DAHER-SOCATA, as a crucial Tier 1 partner in the A350 XWB program, utilizes advanced material knowledge to fabricate these essential components. The primary landing gear doors are constructed from composite materials, substantially reducing weight and enhancing the aircraft's fuel efficiency and performance. Robotic fiber insertion is integral to manufacturing, a vital technique that guarantees accurate alignment of composite fibers, enhancing both strength and aerodynamic efficiency. Following this first placement, Omega 5-axis routing is utilized to execute complex cuts with remarkable accuracy. The Omega bonding process promotes structural integrity and prepares components for polymerization, during which materials are cured to optimize longevity. Furthermore, the implementation of 5-axis drilling guarantees the precise formation of required opening in the doors, while routing further improves the edges, conforming to strict design standards. Three-dimensional inspection technology is employed to determine the precision of each component. After that, ultrasonic scanning is conducted to identify any internal inconsistencies or defects within the composite materials, ensuring the internal integrity is preserved. Adhering to these specific procedures, referential confirmation on the door's jig confirms the alignment and assembly against established standards, guaranteeing that all components comply with rigorous aerospace requirements. The final checks entail thoroughly evaluating the door's performance and functionality, hopefully confirming observance of all operational standards. Once the production has been completed, the landing gear doors are transported to the client to assemble the A350 XWB, extra wide body. These doors mean nothing without landing gear. Let's start with how companies like Safran produce or repair landing gear. Initially, the process entails careful cleaning to prepare the landing gear for detailed inspection. This thorough procedure guarantees that all elements are available for complete review. Following the cleaning procedure, Safran maintains a high-quality standard by looking at any flaws or possible problems. In the third stage, inspections are performed to validate the results of non-destructive testing. This important phase guarantees that the piece's integrity is intact while causing no harm to the components, ensuring that structural criteria are scrupulously met. Finally, the protective coatings are reapplied according to the original design, protecting the landing gear from environmental influences and wear. CNC, computer numerical control machines, are an important part of the manufacturing process for these landing gear components. CNC technology is critical for the exact manufacture of landing gear components, providing great precision and repeatability. These machines perform sophisticated drilling, milling, and turning operations, which are critical for creating the delicate geometries needed for thousands of landing gear components. There is a secret to consistency. By partially automating these procedures, CNC machines improve manufacturing efficiency, consistency, and quality. This precision ensures that each part fulfills the exact standards required for high-performance landing gear up to the smallest measurement, eliminating material waste while increasing production speed.
I'm getting the first operation all tooled up in the cam and just going through them really quick, line by line, making sure everything looks good. And then I'm going to export that. It's called post-processing. It's going to convert it to G-code, which the CNC machine can read. So once we get all that done, we're going to be hitting go on the CNC and start cutting this thing out.
Once landing gear is attached to new planes, they must be tested. To ensure reliability and safety in emergency situations, landing gear is rigorously tested, including simulating worst-case scenarios. This difficult procedure entails loading the aircraft to its maximum takeoff weight and accelerating to maximum speed before performing a high-speed aborted takeoff. The airplane is put through a controlled test with its brakes worn down to 99% and one brake disengaged to mimic failure. As the airliner approaches takeoff speed, the brakes are applied to stop the aircraft safely. High temperatures can cause fires. Thus, it's critical to monitor the heat produced. To prevent blowouts, the tires release pressure through fuse plugs.
To certify the airplane, we make sure that the airplane can stop on the runway at its highest takeoff weight and its maximum speed.
Quality tires are required for quality landing gear. Michelin manufactures aircraft tires with modern materials and precise engineering methods to assure performance and safety. The manufacturing process begins with specialized rubber and other compounds for durability and heat resistance, which are critical for withstanding the forces of landing and takeoff. These composites are strengthened with steel and aramid plies to increase their strength and flexibility. Advanced mold technology produces precise tread patterns and optimal grip and water dispersion. Michelin tires are rigorously tested, including endurance, speed, and load tests that simulate real-world situations. Technicians use cutting-edge vulcanization technology, which improves tire suppleness and longevity. Ultrasonic examinations discover structural faults and ensure that each tire fulfills high aviation safety standards. The landing gear is operated from the cockpit. The A350 XWB cockpit is recognized for its cutting-edge innovations designed to improve pilot efficiency and safety. Tails designed 6 identical screens for the cockpit, which provide critical information for flight, navigation, communication, and system management. The cockpit design is distinctive, with electronic flight bags, EFB, docked next to each pilot seat. These EFBs can be accessed using the built-in keyboard or a trackball control device known as the Keyboard and Cursor Control Unit, KCCU. Tails has innovatively added touchscreen capabilities to the screens, providing unprecedented interactivity with EFB applications. This enables pilots to engage with flight data using intuitive touch gestures, which improves cockpit preparation efficiency. Pilots can prepare the EFB while also entering data into the flight management system. During important stages such as approach, improved interaction allows for better task management, reducing superfluous cursor movements and maintaining cockpit symmetry, a huge breakthrough in aviation technology.
After 50 years of pioneering progress in its cockpit, Airbus is very proud to bring a new innovation on board the A350 XWB cockpit with its touchscreens made by Thales, allowing to improve the interactivity in the cockpit for better efficiency, better comfort, allowing the pilot to choose the right tool to interact the right way at the right time.
It's not just about the cockpits. 3D technology is revolutionizing airplane interior cabin design, allowing for the rapid creation of personalized, detailed surroundings through virtual reality. Airbus uses immersive 3D environments to enable customers and suppliers to rapidly visualize cabin concepts for the A350 XWB, drawing on lessons from the gaming and film industries. Unlike in the past, when clients relied on 2D sketches and huge catalogs, they can now make on-the-spot selections about seating, lighting, and flooring within the virtual area. This method expedites the transition from virtual design to actual installation, increasing cost-effectiveness and speed. Furthermore, using 3D glasses and tracker technology, consumers can experience their cabin in an interactive setting, detecting practical layout difficulties such as trolley aisle space before they exist, resulting in personalized and effective cabin designs.
the past, when I started with a 2D sketching device. We sketched all the ideas and we had a lot of catalogs. If you have the 50 centimeter of catalogs in front of you and you have to select from single pages of this catalog and imagine how all this will work in the end. Nowadays, we instantly show what the customer is asking for here in our virtual environment.
The landing gear on aircraft is not just wheels on struts. It has become a technologically advanced system. These days, landing gear is built using the finest materials and processes to make air travel even safer for everyone. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.